Here's a shocking piece of financial advice that no one will tell you. We should plan our financial future assuming social security or pensions will not be there for us. You see, in the United States, social security was born in 1935 during the depths of the Great Depression. In most other countries, it was born either as a result of a war or after a somewhat destabilizing event. At its core, the intention of the program was good. Those hard times devastated many people, but the most impacted were the elderly, who were in most cases no longer able to work or not desired in the workplace anyway. But here's how they played everyone. When those systems were put in place, life expectancy was a lot lower. At that time, the average life expectancy for men was 65 and for women it was about 68. So the pension schemes were put in place so that people would start collecting the dollar bills, starting with, you guessed it, the average life expectancy at that time, for example, 65. A great bet for the system, right? Right. But from then on, not so much for those that contributed throughout their life. The goal was very simple, and it was like this. Many would contribute to the system, but few would benefit from it. And in a moment, you will find out how this backfired. But you can imagine that this system worked so well that the funds kept growing and growing and growing and growing. It actually worked so damn well that the surplus reached trillions of dollars by 2011. Until this very moment, there were more money flowing into the system than was flowing out of the system. But this is how it backfired. As time passed, life expectancy kept growing. Slowly but surely. Right now, in developed countries, life expectancy is around 75. It's no longer 65. That's why you probably see in many countries that the retirement date is being pushed, or there's discussion of being pushed. Why is this important? Because of this life expectancy increase. In 2011, there was a turning point. There was more money flowing out of the system that was flowing into the system. This was all due to the increase in life expectancy. People were living longer and they would benefit from the system as they should. The system's problem with this is that in 20 or so years, the social security funds around the world are expected to be depleted because of this imbalance between inflows and outflows. So my friends, if you are 40-ish or under, we can expect that social security or pension benefits will not be there for us, or they will be drastically diminished. I'm not even going to tell you that in my country it's already peanuts, about $300 to $400 for 40 plus years of contributing to the system. Well, I told you anyway. So to protect ourselves and our families, we should plan our financial future as if pensions will not be there for us. What we can do is simple. Live below our means, invest the surplus, stay out of consumer debt, and accumulate a few money. If I'm wrong, which may be the case, you'll simply have more money coming to you. So you can enjoy an extra day on the beach for me. If you enjoyed this video, you may also like this other video that I made. And until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Peace!